parent and hardworking mom. Please listen to my advice on today's episode, especially you older foreigner men dreaming of paradise in the Philippines. Stop signing over or buying land. Stop building houses in someone else's name who later will try during or after breakup will try to shame you on social media. Most importantly, stop financing a lifestyle for a 3 age gap Filipina who's only smiling at you while secretly plotting her next move. You work 30, 40 years for that money, and in 2025, more foreigners are getting trapped, tricked, and tossed aside than ever before. Don't be next. I get it. You are tired of the cold winters back home. You are lonely. You meet a young Filipina online. She is sweet, beautiful, and she calls you my love every morning. But after a few months, she starts hinting. We need stability. We need a house, maybe land, for our future. And because you are twice her age, you immediately start thinking, I have the money, she has the youth. It's a fair trade. You are wrong as hell. You are stepping into the most dangerous financial decision of your life. Foreigners cannot own land in the Philippines, period. That's the law. So guess whose name goes on the land title? Here's. You just put $50 to $200 into a piece of land that's legally yours the moment the ink dries. If things go south, if she cheats, if she decides she's done with you, you can't touch it. You are out. She wins. It's just that simple. Please don't think you are the first foreigner she has played this game with. Many of these treacherous age gap Filipinas have already done the same to other older men before you. It's a cycle. The truth is the bigger the age gap, the more leverage she thinks she has. You are 60, she is 25. You are looking for love, she is looking for survival. She knows your clock is ticking faster than hers. So what does she do? She locks you in with a forever home dream, but forever usually means 5 years or less. She will smile while the house is being built. But once it's finished, so is your relationship. Oh, and by the way, she doesn't even need to kick you out legally. She will just make your life hell until you leave voluntarily. That's when the social media posting of your relationship and privacy begins. She has no thanks, gratitude, or appreciation in her vocabulary. I have spoken with foreign men who fell into this trap. One man from Canada built a $120 home. Within 18 months, the girl had moved her younger boyfriend into the master bedroom, while the Canadian slept on the couch until he left. Another from Australia put land in his Filipina girlfriend's name. 3 years later, he came home from a trip abroad to find all his belongings outside and the lock changed. Guess what the police said? Sir, the property is under her name. You have no rights. This is reality, not a fairy tale. My advice to my viewers and subscribers is to 1. Rent. Housing is cheap in the Philippines compared to the West. You don't need to own. 2. Condo option. You can legally own a condo unit if the building is majority Filipino owned. That's safer. 3. Keep assets offshore. Don't transfer all your retirement money into her hands. Protect your nest egg. 4. Test the relationship. If she is pressuring you for land within the first year, that's a red flag. If she is genuine, she will accept renting or small-scale living without demands. I'm not saying every Filipina is treacherous, but I am saying this. Age gap relationships are already under pressure from family, culture, and jealousy. When you add land and houses into the mix, it becomes financial suicide. Don't confuse temporary romance with permanent investment. Loving her is fine. Support her? Maybe. But buy her land and building her a house? That's the biggest mistake you will ever make. Remember, she can't walk away rich, and you will walk away broke. Protect yourself, or you will be just another foreigner crying on an expat forum about how you lost everything. Stop being the retirement plan. Stop being the ATM. And for God's sake, stop buying land and houses for treacherous age gap Filipinas. If she truly loves you, she will not need a title deed to prove it. Thank you for subscribing and donating to my channel. I have Patreon membership now for those interested in learning more about the Philippines and a solo parent life. The link is in the video description. We are family. See you next episode.